Welcome. In this live session, we are going to solve a pretty nice exponential equation. X minus 2 all to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4. So for we have x minus 2 all to the power of 4 equal to x to the power of 4. X minus 2 all to the power of 4, we can rewrite it as x minus 2 all squared times 2 equal to x to the power of 4 can also be written as s squared times 2. This means that we have x minus 2 all squared times 2. Let us move this guy to the left side. So that becomes s squared times 2 equal to 0. Now, let us recall a very nice identity property. You all know this. It says a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Take note of this property. What we will now do now is to apply this property to this left hand side. By comparing this left hand side with this guy, you will see that x minus 2 all square is a, s square is simply b. So that means from this line, we are going to have x minus 2 all squared minus, what is b? B is s squared, and we put this guy in brackets, times, what is a? A is s minus 2 all squared, so we have x minus 2 all squared plus, what is b? B is simply s squared, so we have s squared equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that if you expand s minus 2 all squared very well, we are going to have s squared minus 4x plus 4 minus s squared times, expanding this guy also very well, we are going to have s squared minus 4x plus 4 plus s squared equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that clearly s squared minus s squared goes, we are left with 4 minus 4x times s squared plus s squared, that is 2s squared minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Let's continue. This means that 4 minus 4x is equal to 0, or 2s squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. From this line, 4 is equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4, 4 cancels 4. So we have 1 equal to 4 also cancel each other here. We are left with x. So x is equals to 1. This is the real solution. X is equals to 1. Now, let us consider this quadratic equation. We can solve it using quadratic formula. Let us just write the equation here. 2s squared minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. We can reduce these guys. It is an even number, so divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. We have s squared minus 4 over 2, that is 2x, plus 4 over 2, that is also 2, equal to 0. Okay, there is a message here. Can I ask questions the way use Laplace transform here? I don't think so. Let's continue with the questions. So, x squared minus 2x plus 2, we can solve this using quadratic formula. Our a is equals to 1, and our b is equals to -2, and c is equals to 2. The quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2. X is equal to, what we just have to do now is to plug in these values into this right hand side. What is b? B is -2 plus or minus square root of b squared. That will be -2 all squared minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is 2. Everything divided by 2. X is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of -2 all squared, that is 4, minus 4 times 2, that is simply 8, divided by 2. Let's continue. Sorry for that. So x is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4, that is -4, divided by 2. Okay. Someone say we lost the negative sign. Where? Oh, I got it. Thanks so much for that. We have negative sign here. So this guy is plus. We also have plus here. Let's proceed further. Thank you for that, E.E. Miller. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus. We can rewrite square root of -4 as square root of 4 times square root of -1 divided by 2. X is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4, that is simply 2. Don't forget, square root of -1 is equals to I from the complex number. So we have I here divided by 2. X is equal to, this guy could be written as 2 over 2 plus or minus 2I over 2. So x equals to 2 over 2, that is simply 1, plus or minus 2 over 2 also here is 1. 1 times I, we have I. This means that x is equal to 1 plus I, or x equal to 1 minus I. You will see that we have two complex solutions here, 1 plus I and 1 minus I, and just only one real solution, which is s equals to 1 for this pretty nice exponential equation. That's it. Thanks so much for joining this live section. I appreciate you all. Okay, there's a question you can answer for you. The example of matrices. Okay, maybe that will be the next video. I don't know, but I will work on that. Thanks so much for joining this live session. See you in the next video.